Subtraction of fractions is quite like addition of the fractions. So I would suggest that first you go over addition of fractions and then you can learn subtraction of fractions. What we have here is a rectangular stripe. Now the part of this stripe which is colored, we can represent that part with the fraction 3 over 5. And the part that is in purple can be written as 2 over 5. That means I can say that if I subtract the purple part from the colored part, then I would see only green part, right? So that means I can say if I subtract 2 over 5 from 3 over 5, then I will get 1 over 5, which is the green part. Now let's see one more example. Now in this example, the whole stripe is colored. How can I write that? I can say that 5 over 5, everything is colored. Now how much part is green? 3 over 5, right? Because 3 parts out of 5 are in green. So I can say that 3 over 5 is green. So if I subtract 3 over 5 from 5 over 5, I would get the purple part, which is 2 over 5. That means 5 over 5 minus 3 over 5 is equal to 2 over 5. Can I also call 5 over 5 as 1? Yes, because 5 over 5 means the whole. The whole is 1. That means I can say that 1 minus 3 over 5 is equal to 2 over 5. So what did we learn here? We learned that when the denominator is same, it is easy to subtract the fractions. How do we subtract? We subtract the numerators and the denominator remains the same. If you see the first example, we subtracted 2 from 3. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 and the denominator is 5. In the second example, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. That is the new numerator and the denominator remains the same, which is 5. Now this was quite easy. We could look at the diagram and we could figure out easily. But what about unlike fractions? When the denominator is not same, what do we do? Now let's look at this example. 2 over 7 minus 1 over 6. Now here these fractions are unlike fractions. Now we know how to do the subtraction for like fractions. So what we can do? We can convert these fractions to like fractions. How do we convert? We find LCM of the denominators and then we find equivalent fractions of these fractions where the LCM is the new denominator. So let's do that. For 2 over 7 and 1 over 6, the denominators are 7 and 6. So the LCM of 7 and 6 is 42. 6 sevens are 42. So now let's find equivalent fractions. The equivalent fraction for 2 over 7 is 12 over 42. We multiplied the numerator and the denominator by 6. The equivalent fraction for 1 over 6 is 7 over 42. We multiplied here the numerator as well as the denominator by 7. Now what we have are the like fractions. 12 over 42 and 7 over 42 are like fractions. So the subtraction is quite easy now. Let's subtract 12 minus 7 is 5. So the answer is 5 over 42. That means 2 over 7 minus 1 over 6 is equal to 5 over 42. Now what about mixed numbers? If I have to subtract mixed numbers, what can we do? Now we already know how to subtract fractions. So we can convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. then subtract the improper fractions, and then convert that answer back into mixed number. Let's do this. So 5 1 over 3, if we have to convert that into an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number and the denominator. So 5 3s are 15, and add the numerator. So 15 plus 1 is 16. So the improper fraction would be 16 over 3. In case of the second mixed number, we multiply 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12. Add the numerator, which is 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 over 4 is the improper fraction. Now 16 over 3 and 13 over 4, when we look at these two fractions, we know that these are unlike fractions. So we have to find the LCM of their denominators, which is 3 and 4. So the LCM is 12. 3 4s are 12. Now let's find equivalent fractions for these fractions. So 16 over 3, we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4, and the equivalent fraction is 64 over 12. For 13 over 4, we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. So the equivalent fraction is 39 over 12. Now these are like fractions, so it's easy to subtract. 64 minus 39, the subtraction is 25. Denominator remains the same. So the answer is 25 over 12. Now 25 over 12, what kind of fraction is this? This is an improper fraction. So let's convert it back to a mixed number. How do we do that? We divide 25 by 12. So 12 2s are 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. That means the remainder is 1. Now how do we write the mixed number? The quotient becomes the whole number. In this case it is 2. The remainder is the numerator, and the denominator remains the same. So the answer is 2 and 1 over 12.